Here's the goats.
Yeah.
Hey, goat. This is Naga.
Yeah, that's Naga.
And this is Clara.
And
And
we have a camera too.
this is Ethan. These are Phil's kids. And here's some baby goats. You want to pull one out?
Yeah.
Be nice though.
Look, he has a tail. Oh. Oh.
Well, you get outsmarted by the goat.
What?
How about the other one?
1, 2, yep, 3, 4, 5. Yep, you got all 5. No,
Yeah.
stay here. Mama's
Here's
back
one.
out.
This one has a cough. This is my coffin goat. It also has a fly.
Don't cut his head off, though.
When you take a picture, don't cut that off.
And here's Phil. He's a farmer.
Is this on video?
Yeah.
Wow.
And there's a goat who may be drunk because she's staggering a little bit. And this goat has big udders because it's a mama goat.
He's moving. Sometimes I touch her butt.
That's
Her
weird.
other, I mean.
Weird.
That's the older one, obviously.
And here's some more goats in the back.
That one, those two are actually her daughters.
That's the little
And then
goat.
that's,
That's because
yeah.
I don't know what to say to her.
That one goat looks
So I
excited.
named her
And this goat looks itchy. Look at the tail go. Hey, goat. What's this goat's name?
That is
And
bigger.
that one is,
That-
Clara, what's the name of this goat here?
Taffy.
That's Taff.
It's Taffy. And this one over here is dancing.
That's Pops.
The goat's name is Sea Pops.
I
Oh,
don't
and
know
he's
what
gone.
to name it.
This goat's going nuts.
Dang.
Goat attack.
Look, he have a bigger one.
I think he wants to play.
I only see the goat. How to jump over fences. You almost did then.
You're nuts.
And here's another
Check
goat.
the bacon.
Hello, goat.
I better check a bacon too. Sometimes I scratch my butt when it's itchy, but it looks like it's itchy when it isn't.
Hey, goat.
That's handle to get me out. I mean, that's
These goats are really soft because they're babies.
sometimes.
But when they get older, they're not as soft. They look like these ones. Hey, goat.
This goat is a little soft.
And that's me at the goat farm. And this is Ethan.
Can I
And
see
this is
you?
Clara.
I'll go.
And there's a goat. And here's more goat. Here's another goat.